name is Oswald Mallya. I'm a Catholic priest from Moshi Diocese, Tanzania. I'm a member of the Missionaries of Africa, also known as White Fathers. I have been a priest for 20 years. I'm currently in Dublin, Ireland, doing a master's degree in applied spirituality. The aim of this video is to explain how the Catholic Church in Africa, through her ministers, can help the Catholics who are afflicted with calamities such as diseases and evil spirits in their pastoral ministry. This video clip is intended for lay Catholics, priests, and sisters. I'm interested in this subject because there are some Catholics who are going to Pentecostal churches and sects when they are afflicted with calamities instead of seeking help from their own church. Some of them end up by being exploited by the pastors of the Pentecostal churches and sects. Some have even lost their lives. For example, on 2nd February in 2020, more than 20 people died in stampede in a Pentecostal church service in Moshi, Tanzania, where I come from. Most of the people who go to Pentecostal churches and sects go there to be relieved from calamities. Some go to be delivered of the evil spirits and demons which they believe are the ones that cause afflictions. According to the research I have carried out, most of the Catholics who go to the Pentecostal churches and sects do so because they do not find support in the Catholic Church. Many of them say that they are not listened by priests and sisters when they are afflicted with calamities, especially those which they suspect are caused by evil spirits and demons. They are often judged as lacking faith and sometimes are accused of being superstitious. What can the church do to help these Catholics? As a church, we need first to accept that people are suffering and troubled by these problems. The issue here should not be whether evil spirits or demons exist. The issue here is what can we do to help them. As Catholics, we should not judge people who have these problems as lacking faith or not praying enough or believing in witchcraft or superstition. Instead, we need to create time to listen to them, to be near to them. Catholics who are experiencing these problems need to know also that they can approach priests and sisters to talk about them. Secondly, we need to pray for them, individually or as a group. This will demand us to set a day in our parishes and communities to pray for people who are afflicted in this way. These problems can also be brought silently during adoration of the Blessed Sacrament. This will call for regular exposition of the Blessed Sacrament in our parishes. Priests need to give more time of listening in confession before giving absolution. Praying for others goes hand in hand in praying for oneself. People will ask priests and sisters to pray for them when they see them praying or when they sense that they are prayerful people. In addition, priests and sisters need to bridge the gap between them and the lay people by becoming more welcoming, more accommodating, and more approachable. Lastly, there is need to make good use of our sacramentals such as holy water and holy oils to help Catholics who come to us when they have these problems. Thank you for listening.
Usikanyange madhabahu. Karibia hapa tu. Usikanyange madhabahu. Angalia hapa. Usikanyange madhabahu. Usikanyange madhabahu. Nyosha hapa. Uko tayari? Uko tayari? Haya, twende mara ya kwanza. Tulia. Mara ya pili. Mara ya tatu. Twende.